Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. When you're cooking with a pot and lid that is tightly fitted, sometimes it gets stuck, making it hard to separate. Why does this happen? And how do you loosen the lid? Summary: the reason why it happens is because of the pressure difference. To fix this, you need to reheat your pot until it reaches saturation pressure, and then the pressure will equalize, and then you can lift your lid. A more in-depth explanation: a perfectly fitting pot and its lid often stick together after cooking as a result of the vacuum created inside as the temperature, and thus the corresponding saturation pressure inside the pan drops. An easy way of removing the lid is to reheat the food. When the temperature rises to boiling level, the pressure rises to atmospheric value, and thus the lid will come off. So once again, you want to equalize the pressure to remove the lid. Now before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the Replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.